Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to upload a file to Squarespace. Whether it's a document, image, or downloadable resource, we will walk you through the simple steps to add it to your website. From the Squarespace dashboard, click on the website where we want to upload a file. Next, click Edit on the page we want to update. Once we're in the editor, click on the Photo section, then click Edit section. From there, under the background settings, we can upload a file. Click Replace to choose a new file to upload. Now we need to find the file we want, for example, a picture. Select the file from our computer. Once we've selected it, click Open, and the file will begin uploading. Let's use a sample photo to show how this works. The first image looks a bit small, so let's swap it for a larger one. We'll give it a moment to upload. And there we go. The file has been uploaded successfully. That's all there is to it. Uploading a file to Squarespace only takes a few clicks, and we can easily share files with our visitors.